Good morning. Let's get onto the mat. We'll start with some neck rotation. Hands on your hips, feet hip distance apart. Look forward. Inhale. Exhale out to the right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale to the center. Exhale. Drop your neck down to the right. Ears close towards your shoulder without lifting your shoulders. Inhale back to the center. Exhale down to the left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Back to the center. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to neck. Stretch the back of your neck. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to neck. Inhale up. Exhale, chin to neck. Inhale. Exhale, chin to neck. Now come back up to the center. Now from here in a rotation, as you drop your neck to the right, inhale as you drop it to the back in a circle. Exhale to the front. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Anti-clockwise, exhaling out, move in the other direction. Inhale as you go to the back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And slowly come back to the center. Now from here, your feet hip distance apart. Legs active. And you're just swinging your body from side to side, moving your hands freely without moving your hips, only twisting from your waist and above. Gradually increasing your speed, legs engage, only moving from your waist and above, twisting completely. Twisting all the way, looking to the back. Then gradually slowing down, coming back to the center. And then bringing your hands onto your shoulders, fingertips resting on your shoulders. With an inhalation, bringing your elbows to the front, lifting it up in a circle, exhale to the back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, lifting it up, creating a circle, exhale to the back. Now from the back, inhale, exhale to the front. Inhale, lifting it up in a circle, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and slowly bring your hands down to the side. From here, bring your feet together. Bend your right knee, lifting up to a 90-degree angle. From here, interlock your hands around your calf or your ankles. And from here, try to pull your knee close towards your chest and just stay here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bringing your right foot to the back, grabbing with both your hands, keeping your knee in line with your left knee. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Switch to the other side. Inhale, lifting your left foot off the ground to a 90-degree angle. Slowly grab your hands, interlocking them around your calves or your ankle. And then from here, pull your knee close towards your chest. Right leg strong, pressing into the mat. Stay here, keep your chest lifted, spine straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, bring your left foot to the back, grabbing with both your hands and pulling it close towards your body, keeping your knees straight in line with your right knee. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly release. Hands back on your hips. Lift your right foot off the ground. Ankle rotation here in a circle. Clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise the other way around. Release your right foot and lift your left foot off the ground into a clockwise direction, moving in circles. Working on ankle flexibility here. Anti-clockwise the other way around. And slowly release back to the center. Now bring your hands over your head. Grab your elbows with your hands. And keep pulling your shoulders back. Using your hands to keep pulling your elbows to the back, working on your shoulders here. Keeping your spine straight. And just staying here for a few breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from here, exhale, leaning forward, waist down, just hanging loose. Just swinging up and down from side to side. Legs engaged. Slowly release your hands down to the mat. Inhale, come all the way up.